almost ready to begin. So just choose a row
And sit your bare bottom down.
No, choose a row and slide all the way across. Just make sure you stop when you reach the end, or you might be watching from the floor.
Better than watching from the wall.
Oh, heck, I kinda like it up here.
Ready to start? Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Bear Musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! Country Bear Musical Jamboree. Knee slapping, toe tapping, jubilee.
Coming early, playing late, no time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still barely wait for a Country Bear Musical Jamboree. Settle in, bring all your friends. We hope you'll even want to come again. We've got some fancy prancing and some fair square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our Country Bear Musical Jamboree.
They still sound pretty good.
And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. Lost to myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. I always get up now to see what's next. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I can fail. Try everything. Try everything.
I always wanted to try tap dancing.
Might have missed the window on that one.
Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man?
There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You only kiss the girl. Everybody now!
Sha-la-la-la-la, my oh my, look like the boy too shy, ain't gonna kiss this girl. Sha-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad, ain't it a shame, too bad, he gonna miss the girl.
Oh, well, Romeo, there's plenty of fish in the sea.
Fish? You're making me hungry.
Not me, I'm stuffed.
Okay, now, our next performer used to play with the Mineral Kings, but he's here now. A furry firestorm of Finland Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
Smoking.
Yeah, he's on fire today.
Yeah, he's really burning through our fiddle budget. Can't believe Where'd he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. Honey, magic, carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
And I'm scared of swings.
You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet.
And though we know he washes well,
He always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never meet a fella who's as sensitive as me. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about.
father, sister,
Brother,
We need each other to raise us up and round us out. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, but when push comes to shove, the only fixer-upper picture that'll fix a fixer-upper is true. True, 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 true love. Remember me. Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home.
Poor guy.
Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You've got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me.
Hiya, Sammy. You've got problems.
I got them too.
There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Aw, say, Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it! Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities, that's why I'm making recipes for just the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of hopping home. But bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy ants and maybe try a few, the bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. What the?
Hey, stop!
Okay, well, that's enough.
You already had your chance.
Hey, wait a minute.
Hey, Henry, get the hook.
forget the hook, get a bear trap.
Rufus, the curtains.
Remember.
Well, folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, yeah?